we will look at this data set. Here in this figure, they have given the percentage distribution of households, meaning for this household size, let us say if it is household size 1, what percentage of homes in rural areas have this household size. So what this effectively means is household size of 1, only 7% of the household areas in rural have. So if there are 100 homes in rural areas, 7 homes will have 1 person only. Then this is 11. 11 homes will have 2 people. It is and so on. Okay. If you see in urban areas, 17% have only. So if you see 100 urban homes, 17 homes will have 1 person. So this is what this table means. This chart means. If you look at this table, what it says is that in rural areas, average size is 5.08. That is all there is. So this is the average size. But in urban areas, there is some extra information. Average size might be 4.6, but that is split this way. Population, if it is less than 15,000, average size of the household is 4.75. Between 15 and 50,000 population, the average household size of the household becomes 4.5, and above 50,000 the average size of the household is 4.7. This is the total average. But if you split the urban areas based on population, the average size of the household will also be different in different areas. So that is what these two tables mean. Now, which is the second highest household size in urban areas? If you see, the urban is blue. Very important that you note what each legend in the map is. So here blue diamond shape is urban. Highest household size. So this is that graph. Highest household size is 1, and then it comes down, then it goes up. So this is the second highest. After that it progressively goes down, right? So if it goes down and then goes back up again. But then this is the second highest household size. That household size is 4. So the second highest household size in urban areas is 4. If in the same way they had asked the second highest household size in rural areas, that will be highest is this, second highest would have been here, because after that it reduces and it's no longer higher than this. Urban area second highest household size is 4. Rural areas, if they had asked, it would have been 5. So we have that answer as 4. Answer is 4. Therefore, we have it as option 5. Okay, we have option 5. Option 5. First answer, option 5. Let us look at the second part of this question set. In rural areas, among the households of different sizes. So, rural areas is what is asked. So, you have to take care to follow this. What is the percentage of households of size 4 or less? So, in percentage, so 4, this is 4 or less. So, this is 4, right? So, this is 4. 4 or less, what is the total percentage of homes? So, if you assume that there are 100 homes in rural areas, population size 1 will be 7. Population size, household size 2 will be 11. Household size 3 will be 14. And then household size 4 will be 18. So, you'll have those many homes. So, this is 18 plus 14, 32 plus 18, 50. So, percentage of households of size 4 or less. So, in 100 homes, 50 homes will have household size 4 or less. This is household size 1, this is household size 2, this is household size 3, this is household size 4. Therefore, total percentage will be 50. Option 2. We'll move to the next set. In urban areas, for 100 households, there were 58 households of size. Meaning, we'll have to see where that percentage number. Again, we have given 100 households. We have to see where that percentage of households cross 58%. Okay. Let us see. Household size 1. Now they've asked urban areas. Household size 1 contributes to 17%. Household size 2 contributes to 14%. So that becomes 31. And household size 3 contributes to 12%. Okay, so that is 26 plus 17, we've not crossed 58. And then option household size 4 will be 15. So if you add this now, 31, 43 plus 15, this becomes 58%. So the first option is there to mislead you. First option is 4, then we will tick that. No. If you had ticked 4, it would have only meant 15%. You want 58 households of 58% to be the answer. So 58% will be not just 4, it will be 4 or less. Meaning household size 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 will be 58, not just 4. So on option A, if you had ticked, in the first option, if you had ticked, it would have been wrong. Answer is 4 or less. Correct? If you tick 4, it means there will be 15 households of those sizes. If you tick 4 or less, it means adding all of this. Hence, we have option 3. As the urban populations of towns increase, so we have to come to this table, right, where the population is given. As the population increases, which means population is increasing this way, the average household size, what happens? Options are increases, decreases, remains the same, and fluctuates, right? So you see here, this is 4.75, reduces to 4.5, then increases to 4.7. So there is this fluctuation. It is neither decreasing fully nor increasing fully. So this is not happening, this is not happening, remains the same. Sorry. Remains the same is also not happening. Hence, the correct option is fluctuates. To look at this particular table on the right. So they've said as the household size increases, how many times does the percentage of households increase compared to the previous household size? Meaning, as we move towards the right, how many times is the percentage of homes here increasing compared to the previous? See, if you see here, this is lesser than this. So we are moving to the right. This is lesser than this. So this is one such instance where the percentage of households is increasing. So this is one instance, decreasing, 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 decreasing. Here, if you see, it has gone up. So the second instance where it increases, and the third instance where it increases. So they've given one as one of the options. You see this and you will tick. If you do that, you are wrong. It increases once, twice, and then thrice. The number of times the percentage of households increase compared to the previous household size is 3.